The asset management industry in Saudi has grown quite a bit in the last 5 or 6 years. And you are right in that we just crossed about 1.1 trillion riyals in terms of assets under management. That's equivalent to roughly $280 billion. Now, just to put that into perspective, that was about half 5 or 6 years ago. So you're looking at a growth rate of around 20% per annum. And if we project forward from now till Vision 2030, our belief is that the assets under management or the asset management industry is likely to double probably one more time from now till Vision 2030. Again, that is not going to be the end of the growth, but we see visual drivers of that rapid growth. And the reason is the following. One is need. Saudi Arabia is transforming from a net exporter of capital to a net importer of capital. And that importation of capital requires a lot of effort and a lot of capabilities in terms of capital deployments. Our colleagues in the Ministry of Investment have estimates that the total investment required in Saudi Arabia to achieve Vision 2030 is about $3 trillion, which is in excess of 10 trillion riyals. And now that amount and that quantum of capital needs capital allocation. And what the asset management industry is essentially a capital allocator. And if you believe that that industry allocates capital efficiently, and we actually measure the returns of active management versus passive management, which still gives us an indication that there is continuous alpha to the asset management industry, that explains why the industry is growing at the pace that it is. We're now creating a complete regulatory regime that allows firms to use Saudi Arabia as a base and to serve the broader region and internationally. And this starts with our very first offshore licensing regime, which is already in public consultation. We are likely to follow this with our flexible funds regime, and we believe this combination is likely to be the key to moving the Saudi Arabian financial services industry from our local focus to a regional and international focus as well.